Good afternoon. Michael Mazarang here again, and today we're going out into the field to do some inspections on some of our existing accounts that are either in production or have been recently completed. I hope you'll enjoy it today. Come on along. Good afternoon. Michael Mazarang here again today. Today we're with one of our existing customers. We're in Pineville, North Carolina, which is a suburb of Charlotte. And this customer was referred to us through one of our existing clients, and she has some pretty advanced foundation drainage issues. Today we're going to take a quick walkthrough and show some key components of what we're doing here today. It's a pretty day today. It's a nice winter day. It's sunny, so it's hopefully the quality on the video is good. What we're doing here is we're doing some what we call foundation drainage improvements, and in specific, as you can see, this house is very sloped, and you can see here where we're doing a couple things. We're putting the gutter system to an underground piping system, and you can see where the guys have trenched out here to marry up the discharge pipe from this downspout discharge into a centralized pipe that we're going to run along the edge of the property here and to daylight out to the street. But as you can see, a lot of tree roots here, so a little bit of an issue, but the guys are getting it done. As I walk around the house, you're going to see, we're going to go to the high side. You can see where this street is pretty hilly. In Pineville, is a hilly area. There's a lot of these neighborhoods that have these kind of rolling hills. And you can see where the high side of this lot is here at the left rear corner for face on the front. And you can see, a lot of erosion issues that have occurred over time. It's hard to grow grass because it's such a sloping yard. And what we're doing, as opposed to a French drain system, which is often done, we're doing what's called a drainage swale. And we'll put a diagram up on your screen so you can see what that looks like. But a drainage swale is a little bit different than a French drain, where it's an open face system and you can put river rock or any kind of decorative rocks on that surface to make it pretty it up and make it look better. But as you can see, the water will cascade down from the high spot, make it into our drainage swale. And the drainage swale is designed to follow grade, and you can see here where the different layers of rocks. This is a perfect example of what we're doing here. You can see where this is a 4-inch pipe wrapped in a geotextile sock. And a lot of these landscapers just use a standard corrugated slitted pipe without the sock, and what happens is it clogs with silt, and they become ineffective generally pretty quickly. But you can see the layers of rock that we're incorporating into the system to act as a filter, so that this drain system hopefully will function for many, many years without having to be serviced. It's also helpful to put cleanouts in a system like this, so that if they do get clogged, you can actually open up the cleanout and run a high-powered hose through it and clean the debris out. But you can kind of see here the filter fabric and the geotextile sock around the pipe. Here's the old system that we're kind of tearing out part of it. Some of it we're keeping as we marry it together. But you can certainly see on this home, and probably many of the homes in this neighborhood suffer from the same issue, just a lot of water movement, and these hilly lots are just challenging. And you can see here, we're going to have to throw some seed and straw out to try to get some of this grass to grow again. But where I'm standing here, the erosion was so severe that it actually washed out part of the foundation. So the guys took some of the excavated dirt and they built this back up here along the right rear corner of the structure, and filled in a large trench that was washed away here at the air conditioning unit. So that's been restored, and of course, hopefully the drainage swale will prevent most of the water from getting back to this area where it washed out. So But anyways, just wanted to show the difference today between a drainage swale and like a traditional French drain system. Also, catch basins can be incorporated into a system like this. 12-inch by 12-inch catch basin. They can help move water if you've got a really bad trouble spot. But mainly to get these systems to work, you just have to have a place to take the water. And certainly, the good news is, with it being pretty hilly, we're getting to a daylighted situation pretty easily. So, yeah, we appreciate you watching today. And if you do have a sloping lot and you've got downspouts that are giving you problems, or just some surface drainage, we'd be interested in helping you tie in your downspouts to an underground piping system, as we are here, or installing catch basins or drainage swales to help you remedy that situation. You can give us a call at the number on your at the bottom of your screen. We'll be happy to come out and do an assessment and design a system that will be suitable for your needs. Again, this is Michael Mazarang. Appreciate you watching today, and we're off to the next one. Hope you have a good day. Thank you.